Sabre ye was Supreme Court enim asɛm a ɛkɔ so ene ɛyɛ asɛm a wɔman Ghana dankwa mabia yɛbɛka ho asɛm ɛyɛ history ne nyinaa ne sɛ Speaker of Parliament ɛna yɛhwɛ sisi a sɛ anyebia ɔwɔ ho kwan ɛwɔ ho tumi sɛ obetumi declare some seats vacant. Wohwɛ saa asɛm yi a Alexander Afenyo Marken akyerɛ sɛ Speaker ɛni saa kwan no asɛm yi ɛba court ɛma court ɛhyɛ sɛ Speaker ruling na wɔde aba no ɔntwensɛn kɔpem sɛ wɔn bɛhwɛ asɛm no ɛwɔ Supreme Court for interpretation na wɔn mo ahwɛ sɛ Speaker betumi atu saa namɔ no a owie no ansa na Speaker ruling no etumi ayɛ adwuma anaasɛ entumi ɛnyɛ adwuma make say ukɔ dan no emu a ayɛ very charged ne nyinaa ne sɛ one Speaker enso de na lawyer for aba ɛyɛ court dem hɔ ne nsɛm a wɔka ne sɛ wɔn hunu sɛ Supreme Court so de krataa aba krataa na wɔde baa no Parliament ɛwɔ nhyehyɛ wɔ mmra yɛwɔ time a wotumi serve Parliament any time a wotumi serve Parliament Monday Parliament sitting wɔn mo entena ohwɛ time a court no bɛ serve yɛ na ɛho mmra no court entumi amma mmra na nyɛ adwuma sɛ de ɛsɛ yɛ at the same time Speaker ɛkyerɛ sɛ Parliament ɛde ne ho judiciary ɛde ne ho ɛna ɛyɛ aban enso ɛde ne ho ɛwɔm sɛ wɔn adwuma no hyia wɔ brɛ bi but court ni ho kwan sɛ Speaker ruling na wama no obetumi aka sɛ watu ɛde asɛn ɛno ɛna saa bere court no ɛhwɛ sɛ obetumi abobo ho na wɔn de finality anaasɛ asɛm no pomasi brɛ ɛde aba sɛsɛyi question no akɔyɛ bebree ɛwɔ inside hɔ Speaker lawyer for ɛkyerɛ mu no na ɛyɛ Afenyo Marken a lawyer for enso ɛkyerɛ mu na Attorney General a ɔno nso court hɔ ɔno nso na lawyer for ne ɔno ankasa wɔn nso ɛkyerɛ wɔn ɛdeɛ mu nti sɛsɛyi ɛbɛyɛ very interesting fi sɛ deɛ bɛsi wɔ ha biara no ɛbɛyɛ ɛnsɛ na hɔ for kyena why na ɛyɛ majority why na ɛyɛ minority currently yɛnim NDCC ɔno a MPPC ɛyɛ ɔno a ɛno ho nkɔmɔ ɛna ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ inside but wohwɛ points a opani sorry a wogyina mu alidi ɛde ama one group ɛno akyi no Attorney General lawyer for ɛne ɛyɛ Honorable Joe Gate ne wɔn mu aka lawyer for ne nyinaa no obia advance the points depending on nipa or representing no ɛwɔ inside ho enti asɛm no ne nyinaa ɛno no but na boasie nyinaa ne sɛ wokae a Cynthia Mamle Morrison ɛne ɛyɛ mmarahyɛdwafo bi a wɔn wɔ MPP mu atwe afi MPP mu kɔ content kro mienu wɔn contest saa nso ɛna ɛyɛ first deputy speaker a ɔba Parliament as independent no ɔno so afi independent no akɔ MPP din mu a or standing on the ticket of the MPP NDC amanyoko no so MP baako a ɔba yɛ Parliament in the name of the NDC no ɔno nso atwe asan a ɔkɔ independent ɛno na speaker ɛkyerɛ sɛ contract a ne ɔmanfo no wa nti ɔmoto aba no ma ɛwɔ party bi din mu wobɛduru hɔ no wafiri saa party no mu akɔde a na kyerɛ sɛ wontimi represent nipa ne interest ne gidi a wɔn nya wɔ mu no and other reasons ɔma yɛ ne nti we declare saa seat no vacant ɛno na nam so ma NDC kyerɛ sɛ declare de a wɔn ɛna ababɛyɛ majority ɛna MPP ayɛ minority asɛm no abɔ aseɛ nyinaa ni speaker sɛ ma rule wɔn sɛ daabi wontimi rule wɔn de abɛdan court sɛ rule na ɔde baa no fatwa kakra na yedi asɛm ni wie hwɛ sɛ wo ho tumi a yewie a na afi watumi a implement speaker say time am serve mo no one serve no kwan pa so at the right time SM serve at the same time muntimi emekye me madwuma e wo ha sɛ de menye no kai sɛ Parliament and shemra Supreme Court and interpreti the shemra and timra na se Supreme Court and tiase so quite interesting ruling ebeba no ebe guiding going forward am ya hwɛ sɛ and na etie Speaker ne bedin kunim Attorney General ne bedin kunim Afenyo Marken ne bedin kunim in all no Ghana ne bedin kunim because ebeboa ma yate emra na se na ye kabima minka bi no a asi onyini kwan so no atumi anyini every level a ye hwehwe ti say inside ho ne de nkomakehwe ne guso a ekoso saa we kye ne dem na we ya kye ne dem really no na sabre ye hwe se de akosie.
If the plaintiff, the first defendant, will be given the opportunity of filing 7th, unless 7th is not convenient to the court, and then the date for judgment can still stand. I think that in a matter of movement as this, in a matter where the public is interested in it and all the cameras are, with all respect, it will be a little bit, if I may hesitantly use the word, incongruous for us to just adjourn straight away for judgment without a hearing. especially when same is enjoined by the rules.
Thank you, Attorney General. So you will address us on the
7th
on the 11th.
Okay.
And then we will adjourn for some hours for judgment. Because we would have had the opportunity
of considering
all that had been found.
Very well, respectfully. That's all. Thank you very much.
Now will be reconstituted. All rise.
The mega check is the court stated that when it comes to issues where Parliament and the AG's office has crossed purposes, they can hide different laws.
No, that's not. It is where the interests of the persons conflict. That's what we are telling you. In this case, as I said, in constitutional case, there's nothing like a person have an interest in it. What interest does the Speaker of Parliament have in the interpretation of the Constitution? So there's no interest, no personal interest of the Speaker of Parliament. And that's the point I sought to make. That indeed, when it comes to constitutional access, the most important interest is the true and proper interpretation of the relevant provision of the Constitution. And that's it. So it's not as if a person has a personal interest in it. And if that's the case, as I indicated in some cases that I cited, it is actually a proper interpretation of the Constitution by the Supreme Court that is most important.
The court largely agreed with you today, but it said that it was going to give a ruling on the objections you raised in its ruling. It did not again raise those issues in its ruling.
Yes. I mean that was the material provision of the court. Of course, as I said, I do not usually quarrel with the court, and I do not have any complaints at all. Substantially, as you said, my objections, the point where I felt, and the essence is that the objections of the first defendant, the Speaker of Parliament, were without any basis whatsoever. And I think it's very important to indicate that this country sometimes there's a lot of ignorance paraded as wisdom. The situation where you have ignorance paraded as wisdom must stop. There's a lot of deceit and misrepresentation of reality to the public. You find all the points that have been made all the time. I listen to the radio quietly when this matter came. I've never spoken at all. And I see a lot of ignorance and mischief being perpetrated and being thrown in the eyes of the public. And you've seen it. I'm sure that is why the court took its time to deliver such a comprehensive ruling to educate the public properly and to prevent ignorance from being further paraded as wisdom in this country.
The first defendant, that is the Speaker of Parliament, now has no excuse whatsoever to decline or fail to file his defense and statement of case to the action. So now we are poised for a full hearing and determination of the matter. No more interlocutory or interim applications.
Do you support the Attorney General's position about the inability of the Speaker to continue in this case because of the PPA standoff that have been agreed earlier?
See, as plaintiffs in the matter, we acted out of abundance of caution, in that we sued the office of the Speaker. We did not sue the Speaker personally. My client, the majority leader, has no personal action against Right Honorable Aban Babi. It was his office and the conduct of some official matters, especially his ruling of 17th October 2024, which he objected. Now, back to your question. The Speaker or any other arm of government or agency of government for that matter, by Article 88 of the 1992 Constitution, is mandated, I place emphasis on that word, is mandated to engage the attorney lawyer as its counsel in representation, whether in court or outside courts. The circumstances under which they brought a private lawyer as their counsel cannot be answered by me. I leave that to them. But under the Constitution, going strictly by the express tenets of the 1992 Constitution, whenever any state organization or any arm of government is involved in a litigation, that entity is supposed to be represented by the Attorney General. So it's not a matter of me giving credence to the submission of the Attorney General on that score, but that actually is the dictate of the law. We acted out of abundance of caution by suing both the Speaker of Parliament and the Attorney General so that whichever way they will be looking at it, the two of them will be honest.
The traditional foods are no starch and carbohydrates. Mu bebre. But true green food, yes, starch and carbohydrates no. Kids way be na womb. Very healthy. Booming who buy free yare to say diabetes, kidney failure, cholesterol, hypertension, cancer. Any kekakikamo. True green food or more breakfast options to say cocoa, Tom Brown, oatmeal. Any kekakikamo bebre. True green food. Oh yes, our products now are 100% organic and natural. So we here be on to me deliver my baby a
Me did the young antechua and maybe I'm discovered for Europe akuma busia for Ghana no. Me used to tap send. Tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Easy, convenient, fast, and sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover ye mapim. Tap send. Intienne, also download the Tap Send app no ever mobile phone so free. Na fesika komo abusuya for Ghana fanenyi na. Tap Send. Papa no.
Hello, love.
Gary, do you have Mommy's parcel for her big day?
The shipping company says it will take 1 month.
A month? Gary, use Rapid.
Rapid?
Rapid courier ships from the United States to Ghana and 9 other African countries within 3 to 5 days. Log on to rapidgroup.com, buy, ship to us, and we deliver right to your doorstep.
That fast?
Yes, that's Rapid for you. Can you sign this?
I thought you only ordered Mommy's parcel.
No, I ordered a few car parts too.
Are you too busy to shop? We will shop for you. Rapid also has a luggage delivery service, so you can make that extra luggage and we will deliver at the lowest rate.
Rapid Courier. Just shop. We deliver. Enjoy.
Malata African market, and I'm Papa. African market. Order for so blonze ha. Now open African market. Papa didra. Mo akoma to yem dia. Malata African market. Edem sronko. Smoked fish, meat, dry fish. So kenki, rice, yam, fufu flour ni nnuane ahodo e free Africa. Afei, ye want to ma papa. Bonwire kente, adamma se kente. Ahwene ahodo. Ene nneoma bebre. Na wobenya wo Malata African market. Hwehwe ye chi akwan ene number e wo screen so. Malata African market. African market mu King Kong. Malata African market. And I'm Papa. African market. African market.
At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your